Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Fitbit Inspire 3. First, ensure your Inspire 3 is fully charged. This usually takes about 1 to 2 hours. Next, download the Fitbit application to your smartphone and either create a new account or log into an existing one. Once the app is ready, pair your Inspire 3 by following the on-screen instructions, typically found under the Set Up a Device option. Finally, personalize your device by selecting a watch face and setting your daily activity goals, like 10,000 steps. Your Inspire 3 is a powerful health companion, automatically tracking your daily steps, distance covered, and calories burned. It continuously monitors your heart rate, providing valuable insights into your cardiovascular health 24 hours a day. At night, it records your sleep stages, light, deep, and REM, and gives you a personalized sleep score to help improve your rest. You can also manually log over 20 exercise types, or let Smart Track automatically recognize common activities like walks or runs. The Inspire 3 keeps you connected with smart notifications, delivering calls, texts, and app alerts right to your wrist. You can set silent alarms that gently vibrate, ensuring you wake up without disturbing others. For moments of stress, utilize the 2-minute or 5-minute guided breathing sessions to help you relax and refocus. Plus, if you ever misplace your phone, the handy Find Phone feature will make it ring, even if it's on silent. To keep your Inspire 3 in top condition, clean it regularly with a soft, damp, lint-free cloth, especially after workouts. You can personalize your device with a wide array of accessory bands, from classic silicone to stylish woven options, easily swapping them out. Remember to sync your device daily with the Fitbit app to ensure all your health data is backed up and accessible. Also, check for firmware updates through the app to enjoy the latest features and improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.